Dear students, now we are going to see mensuration unit exercise. Okay, unit exercise 7, first sum. The question is, the barrel of fountain pen cylindrical in shape is 7 cm long and 5 mm in diameter. A full of barrel of ink in the pen will be used for writing 330 words on an average. How many words can be written using a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? See the question. The barrel of fountain pen cylindrical in shape. See, you are using fountain pen to write that pen. That barrel of that pen is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, it's in the shape of cylinder. Then height of that cylinder is given. Height is 7 centimeter. Long means that is height. Then 5 millimeter in diameter. So diameter is given. See, you note the unit here. Millimeter in height they given in centimeter and diameter is given in millimeter. So first convert all the units in millimeter into same unit, millimeter or centimeter, anyone. Okay, then a full barrel of ink in the pen, that is the pen is filled with ink, it's full of ink, will be used for writing 330 words. Okay, one time you filled the pen means you can write 330 words. How many words can be written using a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? See, you are buying one full bottle of ink. That is, that ink bottle contains 1/5 of a liter. That is 1 liter equal to 1000. Okay, you know that. So divide that 1000 by 5. 1/5 means divided that 1 liter by 5. That is 200 milliliter, like that. Okay. So now see the answer. I'm here the cylinder picture I draw. That height is given 7 centimeter and diameter is given 14. So first to find diameter is given 5 millimeter. Okay, first to find radius 5 by 2 millimeter. Now I am converting millimeter into centimeter. Why? Because height is given in centimeter. So I am bringing all into same units. So I am converting this millimeter into centimeter. You know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So here I am converting. I get 5 divided by 2 into 10. Okay, then cancel that 5 and 10 in 5 table. 1 time 5, 10 is 2 time. So finally you get 1 by 2 into 2, that is 4. So radius equal to 1 by 4 centimeter, height equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, what is given here? That volume of barrel. That barrel is in the shape of cylinder. So both are equal. Volume of barrel equal to volume of cylinder. Now write the volume of cylinder formula. What is the formula to find volume of cylinder? It's, you know that, pi r squared h. So pi r squared h. Substitute the values. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Then r 1 by 4. Here r squared. So write 1 by 4 2 times. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 and h. H is 7. Okay. Then centimeter cube because it's volume. So write the unit is centimeter cube. 7 get cancelled and 4 and 22 in 2 table. Then after simplification you get 11 by 8 centimeter cube. Okay, then see next. We change the centimeter cube into liters. Why? Means in question they given that bottle of ink containing 1/5 of liter. So I am converting the centimeter into liter. You know that 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so 11 by 8 into 1000 liter. That is converted centimeter into liter. Then now then another time what is given here is that one barrel full of ink is used to write 330 words in average. So we have to find 1/5 of ink used to write how many words. So here I am using unitary method to solve because it's easy to use solve. Okay, take letters of ink and words. Then 11/8000, that is used to write 330 words. Then 1/5 of ink in the bottle. So we have to find here number of words. That is question mark. I take that one as X. Okay. Then to find X. How you find? Cross multiply these two. X into 11/8000 equal to 1/5 into 330. Okay. Cross multiplying these two. Then find X. Keep X in left hand side. Bring the remaining terms to the right hand side. In right hand side already 330 divided by 5 is there. While changing this 11/8000 becomes 8000 by 11. Okay, while changing side the number gets reciprocal. So 8000 comes into the numerator and 11 comes into the denominator. Now cancel 11 table and 330. That is 30 times. Then 5 and 30 is 6 times 5 table. So the remaining numbers are 6 into 8000. 6 into 8000, 6 8s are 48s followed by 3 zeros. So that 1/5 of bottle of ink is used to write 48,000 words. This is the answer. Okay, that is used to write 48,000 words. Thank you.